Hello, how are you? I am back again. Mary's just having a quick snack with her daddy, which meant I have 2 minutes to show you a quick unboxing. So today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new Pixi order. I'm so excited. I've run out of some of my favourites and I want to show you what I got. However, before I get started, I do want to tell you I should have ordered one of their highlighters. I've run out. They're phenomenal highlighters. They're so good. Like, they make you look so healthy. They make you shine like you've hit the moon. They're not glittery. They're not sparkly. They're just so radiant and gorgeous and moonlit and they're phenomenal. It's like applying health, health and happiness, joy, disco vibes, all the good stuff, but not like glitter. Do you know what I mean? By the way, somebody once told me, a very famous blogger / influencer, she told me that once you get past a certain age, your highlighter shouldn't glitter, and I have to agree. Unless you're at a festival or like the Eras tour or something like that. Anyway, let me show you what I got because I think it's pretty good. So first of all, mega obvious, but I did need a top up of their iconic Glow Tonic. I got quite a small bottle. This is 100ml, but it will honestly last me like months because I use this quite sparingly because I'm quite dry and quite sensitive. And honestly, I think it's quite potent, so I don't need a huge amount, but you can get mammoth bottles, and I think this is enough. And also, I love the fact that this 100ml bottle is a really affordable price. So that is my first item. Super obvious, but it's a great product. I couldn't not have it. Okay, next up, I got one of their blushes. I love these. They're so good. They have the On The Glow blushes, and then they have the On The Glow bronzers. They're all amazing, quite frankly. But yeah, I really like this one for the summer. This is what they look like in the component, the packaging. I don't really know what it's called. And this is what it looks like on my skin. And I love these because you can use them as blushes, of course, but you can also use them as a bit of a lip tint and literally just do that. And you've got a really lovely amount of colour. They're just gorgeous. I love these. I think they're just perfect. And they're really hydrating as well. They're just gorgeous. And I love the ones with a little bit of a shimmer in them too. They're also gorgeous. To be honest, they're all amazing. Anything that you see from Pixi in this packaging, buy it. You're gonna love it. Okay, next up is their Rose Oil Blend. I love this stuff and I feel like not enough people bang on about it because it's amazing. It's just a really beautiful kind of serum meets oil. It's really luxurious. It's really spa-like. It smells incredible. And yeah, I just love, I didn't really blend in that blusher, did I? But yeah, I just love it. It smells incredible. It feels incredible. It's gorgeous for the day, gorgeous at night. It's not too heavy, but it's really hydrating. It's lovely. Oh, I love it. And it smells phenomenal. It smells so good. The jasmine is also wonderful too. And there is the packaging one more time. It's the Rose Oil Blend. It's amazing. And then finally, another product that I don't think people bang on enough about because it's so good. This is the Rose Ceramide Cream and I love it. It's just a really lovely facial cream, which just smells amazing, feels amazing, sits beautifully under makeup. Super hydrating, lasts all day as well, because not all my face creams last all day. And I love it. I love the packaging. I love the way it feels. I love the way it sits on my skin. Again, it makes me feel really healthy and look really glowy, but in a really just natural and lovely way. And this with the face oil, a gorgeous combo. All you need is a little bit of their highlighter, a little bit of their blusher, a little bit of their eyeliner, lipstick, boom, you're ready to go. It's a winning look. Anyway, that's my video. I best go. I really feel like the light's going, so I hope this video is not too dark. Anyway, thank you for watching. These are my favourites. I will try and link them all below. What else do you need to try from Pixi? Definitely their highlighters, amazing. All their blushes are amazing. Their retinol is really good. They've got a cream cleanser I love. The milky range is really good if you're dry and sensitive and inclined to be, prone to breakouts, but in a more kind of sensitivity way. What else do I love? Oh God, it's just all good. I love what they do. Such a great brand, such great prices, and just, yeah, lovely brand that I'm always fond of using. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.